Hi guys! 8:14 PM na, iwaw feng shui na. Brethren, family, and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong feng shui pachi chimen, Yijing and date selection consultant. So, kumusta po? How was your Tuesday? And tomorrow, ganun kabilis, ano po, kalagitnaan na kagad. Wednesday na po, September 25. So, kanina po, in mga few days, nakita ko po, I was looking, reviewing, observing the best animal signs for 2025, the year of the wood snake, na magsisimula po ng February 4, irregardless of the Chinese Lunar Year festivities. Ang lahat po ng ating reading is based on the solar year, which is every February 4, nag-iiba-iba lang po ang oras. Hi to SK Batchmate Gunter Sir all the way from Laguna. SK, magandang gabi sa iyo. Thanks for watching. So SK Gunter, no, tingnan natin. Yung mga nakalagay best animal signs. So later I will share with you yung comments ko po, but of course not yet final, pero well, it's maganda rin po yung at least may advance info ka. After all, ayaw nating mabubulaga, and then pag nabulaga ka, boom, too late, di ba? Hindi ka na makareact, hindi ka na makagawa ng strategies or tactics or even a solution for every problem or challenges that you may face. So, at least it's good to know na may ganito yung ginagawa tayo po, advance info. And to start it with, BFF, tomorrow, September 25, Wednesday, is called the Water Dragon, enters the Excellent Officer Day. By the way, SK Gunter, I'll be in your area tomorrow. Yes, I'll be there lunchtime po. Near Enchanted Kingdom. Yan, opo. So if you are there, see you, SK. I'm just in the area. Okay, so Water Dragon enters the Excellent Officer Day. So how excellent is the Water Dragon tomorrow? Kuya Norman. Okay, tingnan natin. Water Dragon. Opo. Sabi dito, ang dami nito. Suitable for getting married, setting up the altar, setting the bed, seek blessings, making a donation, traveling, start business, moving house, groundbreaking burial, pursuing studies, keeping a pet, and purchases, all suitable for tomorrow. Oh, sarap. Avoid contracts, utility services, and trading. So sa dami naman po nito, most probably may isa o dalawa ang gagawin dito tomorrow. 10x natin, BFF. But before that, let's check the animal signs. Rat, very good. Ox, average. Tiger and rabbit, bad. Dragon, very good. Snake, average. Horse, bad. Goat, average. Monkey and rooster, very good. Dog, bad. And pig is average. Hi to Kuyang Brother Senior Deacon, Kuyang Melvin, all the way from Mandaluyong. Magandang gabi sa'yo. Hi, Kuyang. And see you on Thursday, next week, sa bahay mo. Thank you. Okay. So, yung BFF, brethren, Kuyang Melvin, SK Gunter, yun po yung ating, pwede sa lahat, halos pwede sa lahat. So, now, we make sure na ma-10x natin yung mga outcome. After all, our happiness is based on the outcome na gusto natin, hindi yung gusto ng kapitbahay, gusto ni boss. Siyempre, well, let's be honest with ourselves. Outcome na we ourselves na gusto, we like, di ba? Hindi naman po lagi So, eto, makatulong, daily chimen, silipin natin. Okay. Atin At least, no, advance info for tomorrow, mamayang gabi pa lang. Ano ba sinabi ko yan, Norman? Ito. At least, you're better equipped. So, tingnan natin. September 25. If you want to create opportunities, if you want to harmonize people-to-person, person-to-person talk, anything to do with, want to make peace, make amends, create an opportunity, talikod sa Southeast. Health is wealth. Health is wealth po with the benevolent energy and absolute power. Good health, 6 stars po to, BFF, talikod sa South. Anything to do with finances and flying bird fall into cave na buong araw, may conqueror, may Empyrean force, seek for an assistant or help from a noble person. Ang ganda. Talikod sa Southwest. If you want to 10x being beautiful and handsome, find resources, talikod sa north. Wow, there it is. So, Kuya Norman, sa mga nabanggit mo, ano dyan ang iyong gagawin? Syempre po, may flying bird fall into cave. Yung nakatalikod ka sa southwest, starting later, 11 p.m. to 10:59 p.m. the next day. Southwest tayo. Gawa natin ng talkies. Okay. At least po, nagpa-practice po tayo. We're building it up in preparation for 2025. And by the way, BFF, kung ano ang may experience mo, ngayon, bare months is ito po yung bird's eye view tawag po doon, it is, sneak preview of your year to come. By the way, I'm happy to announce that I'm again meeting up with Artikulo 1. Yes. So we will see po if they're coming up with a new project. Sila po ang gumawa po ng General Luna. And I'm so happy to be a very small part of that General Luna. And I'll let you know, BFF, should they have a upcoming project. For secret muna, but I'll give you a glimpse after our meeting. Hi to Aya, Worshipful Master, Compadre, Tope. Hi. Extra ko, Siyempre naman. Opo naman, Aya. Kahit tumatakbo nang, alam na natin yun. At tatalon sa tulay na, alam na rin natin yun. Okay, Aya. Kumpadre, ikaw pa, siyempre naman. Opo. Siyempre naman, yung mga ating mga brethren yan, hanggat maaari, i-arrange natin yan. Opo. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Talkish tayo. Gamitin natin yung flying bird fall into cave. Yeah. Mag-layering po tayo, BFF, Mag-layering tayo. Okay. Tingnan po natin. Okay. So, let's see. So, sabi po dito, Universe, I let go of all that no longer benefits my journey. Hi, Tumaring Seni. All the way from Pasig. Thanks for watching. And open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my aspirations. I am deeply thankful for all my blessings, and I'm always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. I easily and effortlessly magnetize optimism and wealth by always attracting the right space and environment that speeds up my success in everything I do. And then, kung ano man po yung gusto nyo dugtong, amen. Hi, Ateng Therese! Hi! How are you, Ateng? See you very soon, Bilis ang panahon. So, let's update po as early as the bare months, yung 2025 po na Feng Shui. Yes. Hi, Ateng, See you soon, Ateng Therese. Thanks for watching. Okay. Gawan natin po in Tagalog naman. Para po tayo balanse. Ay, puro English. Di po Tagalogin po natin. Okay, ito po Sabi dito, Universe or how you address your faith, your God, hinahayaan ko ang lahat na hindi na nakikinabang sa aking paglalakbay at binubuksan ang aking sarili na maging taong kailangan upang matupad ang aking mga mithiin. Lubos akong nagpapasalamat sa aking mga pagpapala at laging sabik na umunlad, matuto at gawin ang lahat para makamit ang aking mga pangarap ay hindi at walang kahirap-hirap na may optimismo at kayamanan sa pamamagitan ng pag-akit ng tamang espasyo at kapaligiran na nagpapabilis sa aking tagumpay sa lahat ng bagay na ginagawa ko. Amen. So, pwede mong dugtungan kung ano po yung mga specific pa po na nais mo po. Basta po again, Ateng, BFF, brethren, ang formula, you let go, you open up, you give thanks, you ask for what you want, and give it back to society. Hi to Noble Architect, Dan Fred. Hi, Nobs. All day from Mandaluyong. Thank you for watching. Uy! Sarap mo naman! Uy! Nobs, ayos And keep safe. Meron din bang Ichiran dyan o may mas magandang Nobs? May mas masarap na ramen sa Hiroshima. See you soon, Arch Noble Sir, Yan, wow. Nice. Sana all, Okay. Arch, ingat ka dyan, Nobs. Ingat. And, timbrihan mo naman ako sa masarap na ramen dyan sa Hiroshima. Okay. Arch, okay. Keep safe. So, yung BFF, you can say it in English, Tagalog, Taglish, any po, basta po importante. You let go, you open up, you give thanks, you ask for what you want, and you give it back to society. Okay, balikan natin. So, for the past few days, ako po'y, siyempre po, ayoko na po antayin na I'll go to KL, I go to Singapore or Hong Kong, just to find out for myself or attend a seminar para, ano bang ang first, second, third, and kulelat na animal science for 2025. After all, ganun po tayo eh. We're always looking for that. Uy, nice. O, syempre, Ichiran. Ay, syempre. Okonomiyaki, ha? Oy, Nobs, sarap yan. Ayan po. Ayan, ha? Medyo yung ating weight. Of course, meron ka naman Arch Nobs na gym, eh. So, kaya mo yung mabawi ang iyong gaining ng weight, of course. So, Nobs, keep safe yan, architect, sir. Okay, so, ganun po tayo, eh. Of course, bare months na ngayon, mag-change ng taon. Yan na naman tayo. We're again, of course, curious. Ako nga rin po eh. Ano nga bang number 1 sign? Number 2, number 3, hanggang number 12. Kulelat na animal signs. Hi to Kuyang Bernard. Hi, thanks for watching. So mga BFF, brethren, ateng. So ganun po tayo, we are curious. Ano bang number 1? Everything, no? Ano bang maganda, ano bang pangit? Hindi ba? Ganun po eh. Pag pangit, ay naku, sama naman ng taon. Ay maganda. Uy, swerte ako. But BFF is not automatic. Hindi po automatic. And it's not unique to you that there are a lot of billions of people na pag sinabing number 1 ng specific animal sign, ay talaga naman bulsa, ikaw yon. Hindi po. These are just possibilities, but you still have to do something. So, binasa ko po, BFF, join with me. Binasa ko, career, relationship, love life. Okay, ang ganda. Eto na. Nung narinig ko na po yung tungkol po sa not so good, so, nandiyan na po yung salitang stress. Ayan. Nasa atin po, ang stress po is nothing but fear. Takot po yan eh. Stress is takot because, well, uncertainty. Of course, we do not know what tomorrow holds. Number 2, sabi din po sa lahat ng animal signs, yan po, bukod sa stress, mental, yan po, mental and emotional concerns or challenges. Lahat po yan, 1 to 12, walang exemption. Lahat po tayo maka-experience ng stress, challenges, emotional, and yun po. And maybe, mabigat-bigat po yung depression, emotional challenges, ayan. So, yun po, lahat po ng animal sa will experience that. So, ano pong sabi? So, one of those recommendations for all animal sign is meditation and manifesting. Ito na po yun. Ginagawa po natin. So, we are blessed. So, right now, kung ano man po yun, whether you're rank number 1 or rank number 6 or rank number 12, BFF, it's how you master yourself using what we're doing now, Chimen, backing, daily Chimen. Ito na po yung susi. Para po you can thrive, you can be a winner, you get luckier, and you get more blessed for 2025 year of the wood snake. Hindi po BFF, ilang po. Hindi po ba, sila po mag-research pa, paano ba mag-manifest? Paano ba mag-meditate? Tayo po now, we're doing this for the longest time. We are so blessed, and that will make you BFF the winner, lucky, and blessed. Again, BFF, thank you so much mga kuyang, ateng, for being there, Maring Seni, for always watching. And let us continuously pray for each other. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming po salamat sa inyong lahat. Good night. God bless. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.